Today I'm going to show you how I make hose clamps for any type of hose, any size, far better than any clamp you can buy in the store and a lot cheaper. I'm Ron Paulk and this is my smart wood shop. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself, a smart bench, a smart station, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Slip this barbed in and it seems to hold, but then in a very short period of time, after there's a little pressure with it, it'll just start to leak, and then your compressor is running off and on, and just there's no way to stop it. So then you run to the store and you buy one of those hose clamps and you tighten it on, and it's got a tongue sticking out. You can try things like PEX clamps. You know, I see people use those, but they're kind of clunky. You got to buy them. You got to have the tool to put them on, and the different clamps are for different size hoses. This situation is one piece of stainless steel wire. So this roll of stainless wire, which has lasted me forever, and you can see I got a lot left. I doubt I'll ever need to replace it. But I cut off a length of stainless steel wire. That's the entire clamp. That is the cost of the clamp. Bigger hose, a little bit longer piece, but that's it. Buy the tool one time and it'll last forever. Take the wire and just fold it in half. Take the doubled over end of the wire and just push it up under your hose, and then take your two loose ends and feed it back through. That's one time through. Take the loose ends again, feed them through the middle. And again, I'm just keeping them so that they don't cross each other. With the wire double wrapped through and not crossing over, now I just need to snug it up, and that's where the tool comes in. The little tip goes right on that loop, and then the loose ends go over the tool and just wrap around. And this is just so that the wire doesn't slip as we're putting a lot of tension on it. Once I see my wire is snugged up enough and it's kind of biting into the hose, then I'll flip it over . I clip the ends off pretty close. Final step is to mash those tips down. And that's it. Now I have this beautiful clamp made out of just a small piece of stainless wire. It has nothing sticking out of it to scratch up my finished work when I'm dragging the hose around. When I'm not rolling the camera trying to demonstrate how to do this, it takes me exactly 2 minutes to make a clamp like this. So with a roll of stainless wire and this tool, I have as many clamps as I need for any size hose that I need. If you got anything out of this, if you'd like to see me make more videos like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.